Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm so excited to report that we had so many entries for participation this week that I had to find a new name spinner. The one that I used last week to pick our names wouldn't take as many entries as we had. There were close to 200, so way to go, guys. You guys did an amazing job. So without further ado, here we go. Alrighty, our first winner is James. So, see here, we are going to go ahead and take that entry of James off the list. His other entries will still be on there. Let's go ahead and spin for our next winner. All right, Miss Olivia is our second winner. Let's go ahead and spin for our third winner. Maya. I think Maya's a repeat from last week. Good job. All right, 2 more spins to find our last 2 winners. Oh my gravy, we have James again. So let me write that down here. James times 2. And 1 more spin. So that's good to know, guys. James got a lot of entries this week. So the more entries you get, the more chances you get to win. And Heinz. And you know what? I know we spun 5 times. Let's spin 1 more time so we can make sure that we have 5 friends all together. And our 5th friend is Mariska. Awesome job, guys. Your prizes will be going out in the mail later on today, and I look forward to everybody's participation next week again. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.